एक हेयर स्पा के लॉन्च पर पहुंचे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज लाइक जैकलीन, हरमन बवेजा, जरीन खान, संजय गुप्ता एंड मधुर भंडारकर। यहाँ हमने जरीन और हरमन से जाना हेयर केयर के बारे में।
Honestly, the quality of water that we have in this city right now, I mean, I love everything else about it, but I think one needs some sort of hair care products just to keep your hair fit. And most of us actually don't pay much attention to hair.
I'm sure it's good, and with today's lifestyle, the kind of hectic lifestyle that we lead, a lot of youngsters, I mean, forget the elders, a lot of youngsters are complaining about hair fall and all that. I'm very happy that they've come out with this product. I don't know about others, but I'm for sure going to use it because the industry, the field of work that I belong to, we do a number of things to our hair every day, and I'm very happy that there's a product now to save my hair.
सलमान खान के कोर्ट केस पर भी हमने जरीन खान से बात की, since she has made her debut with Salman.
I think he's always been very strong and he really knows how to come out of it. I just wish him all the best.
वहीं हरमन बवेजा से उनके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में जाना।
Well, there are actually two films that I'm working on. There are two films that I'm working on, but you'll sort of hear about them as and when the time's right.
Well, यहाँ आई जैकलीन से भी हमने किक के बारे में जाना और उनसे जाना कि how was it working with Salman, with whom many actors fear to work.
See, those are actually things that you hear. But honestly, shooting with Salman on Kick has been one of the most amazing learning experiences for me because not only is he extremely professional, he's Salman Khan, he's the superstar, but he's on time, he gives his best every shot, he's there till the last shot, and after that he goes and he works out, he maintains himself, so he's a fantastic person to work with and he's a fantastic person.
Not just this, जैकलीन से ये भी जाना कि उनके करियर पर कितना डिफरेंस पड़ेगा after working with Salman.
You do have the opportunity to work with Salman Khan. I think ये बहुत बड़ा मौका है, and it definitely will take you ahead in your career. It's, I mean, one of the best opportunities you can have in Bollywood, and I just feel very, very lucky that I was chosen. I was cast in the movie.
Well, we hope that this film does wonders for you, Jacqueline. But going on to Salman's personal life, सलमान की मैरिज हमेशा से न्यूज बटोरती है, तो जैकलीन से ये भी जानते हैं कि उनका टेक क्या है on Salman's marriage.
It's so far-fetched right now. It's almost impossible that it's like, I think there is no comment to have on that. So
लगता है जैकलीन ने भी सबकी तरह ऐसे मान लिया है कि सलमान की शादी होना इम्पॉसिबल है फिलहाल के लिए। Getting back to Jacqueline, हमने उनसे उनकी अपकमिंग फिल्म रॉय के बारे में भी सवाल पूछा। सुनिए उनका जवाब।
Well, we just did a look test yesterday. We start shooting on the 15th for Roy, and it's extremely exciting because for the first time I'm actually doing a double role, so it's something I've not ever done, and I'm very excited.
That's interesting कि जैकलीन ने सलमान के साथ-साथ रणबीर कपूर की फिल्म पर भी काम शुरू कर दिया है। We hope that both the films do well for your filmy career. For Hardik Danna, Zoom, Mumbai.